Hey guys, it's Kenzie and Jacob. We are cousins, not twins, cousins. We're doing a song comparison. So, this one we made.
And we made this one too. I made the container also.
Yeah. This one, we just grabbed a container from our house. And he made some Walmart tags right here. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so we're gonna compare these.
No, we're just kidding. I didn't make those, guys. We bought it.
But we didn't buy this one. We made this one.
Yeah, we made that one.
This one's sticky.
That one's a little bit sticky. This one
is good.
This one's good.
Alright, guys, we'll show you how good it is on the table. This one sticks on everything, so we're not gonna show this one on the table. We'll show you it on the container.
Go and hold this. Just wait, it's wrapped up. Okay, go ahead and hold this.
There. So this is the slime.
No, we're not doing that one.
Sticky. I know, I'm telling them it's sticky. As you guys can see.
Alright, come on. This is how well this one does on a table. Get a clean surface.
Can they see it?
This is all color.
Yep. Are they seeing it?
Okay.
Here we go. It's a little dirty from somebody's hands, not ours. One of our adult friends. You could see.
Or one of our uncles.
As you can see, it's not sticky. Kind of is.
Okay, stop. Let me do it. You're in your phone.
It feels like soft clay with BBs in it.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Tomorrow we can make a video on
Yeah.
shooting BB guns. Because he said something about BBs and I just remembered that I had it.
Yeah, well, as long as I'm there, just so they can see there's an adult around.
Yeah.
Because you're technically not even old enough.
We'll show you
Technically.
putty to tell the difference. I'm gonna go get the putty, okay?
Alright, she's gonna go ahead and go get the putty. Look, guys, I'm sticking the tripod. Oh, that didn't. I'm gonna spread it out. And there, and it's just sitting in there.
Yeah, don't get it up there where they all go together. Because it'd be hard to get out of it.
Yeah, if you just like stick it in there, yeah, it's gonna be hard.
What, Cadence?
Where'd you go my putty at?
Buddy?
It's out here, Cadence.
Right here, flarp.
Yes.
Right here's your flarp.
Hey guys, it's just sticking to the thing. As you can see, yeah. Guys, it fell. She's gonna go. She got a putty that she bought and 2 kinetic sand slimes that she made.
I'm coming. Alright. That's the slime. We have another slime.
Right here. Go ahead and show them.
This is
Or
Florp.
just.
Here, show them
Yeah,
Florp.
we'll show them the floor.
This is Florp actually. It's putty.
It's putty.
The reason why our cheeks are red is because we were doing the parkour video. At least mine is. And it takes a long time. Now, I added to this Florp. It was originally clear. Alright. Can they see it?
No.
Right.
There we go. There we go, guys.
Sorry, I'm not really good with cameras. He is, though. Right, that's Florp. Look at all those beads! Some people think that's slime. I want to squeeze mine. As you can see, it's not slime.
See, it just rips pretty easy.
I mean, slime rips too, you know.
Yeah, but this one rips way easier than
Yeah, slime.
normally does.
Can they see it?
Yep.
Guys, sorry, but he has to keep on looking to see if I'm good at this. Dude, you can beads everywhere.
He's done pretty good. I don't eat it.
Yeah, no fucking dare about eating it.
No, of course not.
Okay.
We're talking to Bean, trying to eat the stuff. Okay,
Right.
that was the flirt. Now we're
This
now I was talking to
is-
you guys. This is the slime that I said, the kinetic sand slime.
No, that's not connected to slime.
What is it?
I don't know what kind of slime it is, but it's weird.
Didn't you make it?
No.
Oh, well, never mind. Scratch that, guys.
It's actually weird slime. It has
She
rocks
didn't
in it.
make it. It has like little rocks in it.
No, my
bought it.
Kinetic Slam. No, this was in Wyatt's toy. I just used the containers. So yeah.
Okay, there we go.
This has rocks in it. It almost looks like kitty litter. Can they see it good?
Yep. No.
It smells terrible.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get it all out for you.
Yep, it's fun to shape and cut. Oh, it's so satisfying. Here, Jacob, go get a knife.
No, we'll do a satisfying video after this with all the slimes.
And it might make you fall asleep. Eh? You don't know. If you guys could hear that, let us know.
Here, look, get it close.
It's so satisfying, guys. Alright, that's for another video.
Get it back a little bit.
Right here?
Yeah.
Guys, that's
So
for...
you can see me and me getting it out.
Guys, I'm behind the camera. As you guys could see over here. Hold on. Jacob, let's show them what this does, kind of.
Okay, no, we'll show them in a second.
It's so cool and satisfying. I don't think that works, Jake.
It's magnetic. On the bottom, guys, there's 2 magnets.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, you learn something new every day.
By the way, we are not at either of our houses. We are at our grandma's.
House and my dad's. Both of our grandmas.
Both of our grandmas?
Yeah. Since our whatever.
She's our grandma and stuff.
Yeah.
Both of your guys' grandma.
Yeah.
And it's Cadis' dad.
I thought she meant 2 grandmas. She was like,
No.
what?
Oh, I was saying it's your uncle. Come on.
Alright, roll it all up in the ball.
Come on, no. I can always dance secret
What about?
Alright, is that better? This better?
Ready, guys?
Here we go.
Watch it. It's just.
Can they see it good? Right. Sorry, guys. Look up there.
Put it into a ball.
And then give it a little push. Guys, it's so
Cadis, Mark, Sarah, and Jacob.
See it all falling.
And
it's satisfying.
like 15.
Right there. Just push a little.
Just, yep, watch. Just push. Tiny bit.
And there's another bag with about 30 grapes.
So satisfying.
Okay, that was a satisfying part
Yep.
of this video, and then we'll make another one later.
Yep. Guys, it smells really weird.
It smells like power bait if any of you guys go fishing.
One of our recommended fishing person is raw fishing.
Yep, raw fishing. He does a whole bunch of like little weird videos of fish. He has like a pond and stuff.
They were all little guys.
And I'm gonna shout out another channel. It's called Slender Dude 1987. Go follow him. It's my cousin. Nice.
Oh, we should have saved that for a satisfying video. By the way, that's both of our containers.
Okay, guys.
Alright, bye. Thank you all so much for supporting our channel. Subscribe, leave a like button. Thank you.